All right, so I just received this. This is a 6-outlet outdoor Wi-Fi smart yard stake. This is what it looks like. And it's compatible with Apple and, of course, Android. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Pull her out. All right, so here's the basic unit itself. It's got a heavy-duty cord on it, grounded 3-prong, and there's 6 of these doohickeys right here. So you can plug 6 things in on the sides, and you can see it's protected, weather protected with these little deals there. On the top, you can see the power button and the Wi-Fi button. And it does connect with some spikes. Let's grab them down here. All right, here they are. So this is how this works. You just go ahead and screw this in like that. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Once you get that baby in there, then you put this one in on this side. And now you should have your system ready to put in the ground once you get that on there. And then bam, Bob's your uncle. Just jam that in into wherever you need to put it. Plug this into your outdoor outlet over here. Then plug this into your outdoor outlet. And yeah, you're ready to go. All right, so you're going to have to download an application. And I think we can go ahead and get it by scanning this. It gives you a little information on how it works. And then from the app, you can, set timing and all kinds of other things with this. So yeah, we're going to have to give it a try outside and see what we think. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.